Yeah, so our costs, again, as we've mentioned in some previous publications and videos, we try to do everything as much as possible on a set fee structure. We call it block fees. So typically what we would do with wills and powers of attorney, if somebody called in or emailed and said, you know, how much is going to cost me and my wife to do wills and powers of attorney, the package for wills and powers of attorney involving couples is a will for each of you, a power of attorney of property for each of you, power of attorney for care for each of you, and then a health directive. So it's 8 total documents, 4 for each of you. That package with legal fees, disbursements, and HST is about $716. So very affordable, very reasonable. It's great. It's a great package for your peace of mind. It's basically our foundational package. From the estate review meeting, we can determine if there should be some other things that we should consider and put in place. Maybe there's a living trust possibly for the family. Maybe somebody owns their business, so we should do a corporate will as well. Maybe there's special trust provisions we want to put in the will itself. Maybe you have somebody who's going to be a beneficiary who's on ODSP support from the government. So there's various things that can potentially add to or deviate that block fee, which we would uncover through our review meeting. So it's very important to have that review meeting so we can establish the appropriate price estimate for you. But the bottom line is our pricing for both couples doing wills and powers of attorney and a single person are very affordable. They're very competitive, and again, doing wills and powers of attorney will give you peace of mind. For a person who is not doing it with a spouse or partner, just will, 2 powers of attorney, health directive, that fees, disbursements, and HST is about $450 to $500 all in as well. So again, very reasonable, very fairly priced. If you've been a real estate client or you have a real estate deal upcoming and you've been holding off doing your wills, then we do give preferred pricing to our real estate clients as well, as long as they do the will at the same time as the real estate closing or shortly thereafter. So there is a savings there, which if you want to know more about, you can give me a call or an email, and we're happy to talk to you about that. Take care.